used to regret something that I said. I was feeling afraid. I used to care, yeah. What I'm sure about is I tried to play my role well, but it went out of control. Most of the time I still don't know why, no. These days I think we have grown. I've been focusing on myself. I believe everything can be solved. And all we know is that you and me, we're getting older, getting stronger, drunk and sober, live slow, ride a roller coaster. Gravity will hold us till it's over. My current goal is probably going into free fall with my soul, to experience all the unknowns, floating with you, too good to be true. I think the universe might know how this journey will go. You know that I'm trying to unwind. The city got me sick, I'm trying to understand infinity, figuring out who I wanna be. I mean, my life is light as a feather. Nothing could last forever. Sometimes I'm under the weather, but I know it's going to get better. Now I feel the air in my breath, comfortable, cause I got the present in my hand. So great, so blessed. This is the feeling that I've never felt before. If it's not right, then we let it be wrong. If it's going out, then we just let it go.